You might be surprised to learn where you stand in the grand scheme of things. In the US, we've got 5 wealth classes, from the struggling lower class to the elite upper class. Let's break it down for you. The lower class, Wealth Class 1, is where it all begins. With a median income of just $12,000, many are living below the poverty line. No savings, no retirement fund. Life's tough, but it's not the end. Low education and disabilities are 2 of the main reasons individuals can either struggle to find work or fall into the lower class. Climbing up to Wealth Class 2, the lower middle class. Earning $61,260, life's looking slightly brighter. But don't get too comfortable. Savings are meager, and lifestyle inflation lurks. The lower middle class are typically those with some education and comfortable salaries, but with socioeconomic statuses below the upper middle class. Now let's talk about middle class. Wealth Class 3 is the sweet spot. With a median income of $145,200, you're doing well if you own a home, a car, have a college degree, and enjoy family vacations. But what if you're striving for more? Wealth Class 4, the upper middle class, might be your goal. Earning $269,100. But remember, it's not just about income. It's about wealth preservation and wise investments. Members of the upper middle class have substantially less wealth and prestige than the upper class, but a higher standard of living than the lower middle class or working class. Now, for the big leagues. Wealth Class 5, the upper class. With a median income of $805,400, these folks are making bank and managing it like pros. They've got assets, passive income, and multiple income sources. The American upper class refers to the top layer, or highest socioeconomic bracket, of society in the United States. This social class is most commonly described as those with great wealth and power, and may also be referred to as the capitalist class, or simply as the rich. People in this class commonly have immense influence in the nation's political and economic institutions, as well as in the media. But here's the kicker. Wherever you are in the US, you're already ahead globally. Just look at this map. And if you make over $50 a day, you're in the top 20% worldwide. That's something to be proud of. So now that you know where you stand, what's next? It's time to make a game plan. Whether you're in the lower class or aspiring for the upper class, financial education and smart decisions are your keys to success. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this information eye-opening. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content on personal finance. Remember, knowledge is power, and knowing your wealth class is the first step towards financial success. Thanks for tuning in to Invest to Gain, and until next time, take care and keep thriving. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click on the video on your screen to 8 simple tips. How to build wealth from nothing.